Gloria Ari. Okay.
What's up, twins? Quincy, what's up, man?
How you doing?
All right, see that? King Kong, pull your head, baby. King Kong, yo. Yo, King.
Your daddy got 4 years. Your daddy got 4 years.
Charlucci, what do you think? Hey, Sarah, how are you?
Put your camera above mine.
Your dad got 4 years.
Too long?
Your daddy got 4 years. Your daddy got 4 years.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you.
How are you feeling?
That's fucked up.
We love you, Mama Combs. We love you. We love you. We love you, Mama Combs. You look beautiful.
Mama Combs. We love you, Mama Combs.
We love you, Mama Combs.
We love you. Federal Courthouse.
Hello you guys and welcome back to the channel. And of course those are Didi's kids leaving court just yesterday after the verdict. Didi was sentenced 4 years in prison and of course 2 months just yesterday. And of course the internet is buzz with Black Americans of course not at all supporting the verdict, as they're saying that the verdict is not fair at all considering the amount of accusations that he has had leveled against him, despite being like evidence there. We saw Cassie's video being leaked. There's a lot of evidence against him. People were saying that this is just a fail on the American justice system side. They were saying that 4 years is too little and he has all the privileges in prison because he has all the money in the world, and 4 years is not enough. Anyways, what do you guys think? Please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Also like and of course do share this video so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video.